So today I'm gonna show you an amazing property at the prime location of Binder West, nearby from Maxis Mall. So let's explore the property. So this is the main bridge for when you enter in the Binder West, and the metro station which gonna come over here at 150 feet low. Once when you get down in the west from the flyover, just you need to take a left turn, and that's the Panchratna complex. So it's an evening view, so you won't find a clear vision. So when we enter in the complex, there is a huge garden area in the center of the complex, which is very worth for morning walk or evening walk. So this is the garden area. I'm gonna show you the flat. The kids are playing in the garden, and we got good parking space over here. So this is the tower over here. The name of the wing is Satyam Accord. Okay, you get good two-wheeler parking space plus your four-wheeler parking space. So let's enter in the building. So as COVID is going on, obviously we need to sanitize, and so there are two lifts in the building. Okay, a good sitting area to chill out and have gossip with your family in the evening. So waiting for the lift. Once lift has come, then we'll explore the flat. So this is the lift with the CCTV camera security for your family. So once when you exit from the lift, let's enter the flat. So this is the premium flat at the prime location of Binder West. So there is safety door as well, and this is the lavish living area. So the plus point is you get good height, which is approximately 10 feet. Majorly developer give you around 8 to 9 feet. So this will be your view from your living room, which is gonna be uninterrupted view. Basically it's evening, so not visible clearly. So once when you come for the site inspection, I'll show you the live view. So अभी मैं जस्ट उस डोर से आया हूँ एंड लिविंग रूम में हूँ. दैट्स योर डाइनिंग स्पेस. ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड अ ब्यूटीफुल टेम्पल ओवर हियर, जो काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल डिज़ाइन किया हुआ है विद द सेपरेट पार्ट. So here you get a beautiful temple room. Obviously we need a private space for the temple. So that's the passage area. So once when you enter in the flat, after living room, if you take a right turn, you can have a look of the modular kitchen over here. It's completely modular with a renovated work, so no extra work. Oh, so the plus point is you get the gas pipeline over here, so no need to take the extra connections of the gas, and you get the oven stand over here and aquaguard point, and that's the extra space where you can utilize either for your store. I believe that's the extra space, yeah. So you can keep something. You get a window over here for the ventilation, the same view which was from the living area, an exhaust fan, and that's the gas pipeline meter over here. So ये आपका पूरा किचन एरिया हो जाता है. Wow, temple is very attractive. And here you get a storage space. हालांकि यहाँ पे वाटर टैंक है, बट एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस मिल जाती है आपको. एंड साइड कोई आया है अभी. ये आपका कॉमन वॉशरूम एरिया है, जिसमें यू गेट एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस टू कीप योर वॉशिंग मशीन विद द a geyser, and that's your wash machine area. The common toilet, that's Indian toilet over here, and Indian. You also get an option for the Western as well. So that's the common bedroom area over here. You get a huge balcony space over here which is visible, and a study table where a kid can utilize for his studies. So this is your, again, a good balcony space with the storage in your common bedroom, a wardrobe space with the storage, beautiful POP work done. Now let's enter in the last master bedroom. So that's your master bedroom. Once when you enter, you get a good space over here to store, and this is your master bedroom washroom. So that's an Western WC over here, a shower space with the geyser, and this is your bedroom, wardrobe space, a storage space, plus a king size bed which can easily accommodate over here, with a balcony space, same which we had a view in the. So this is the entire passage area. For any query, feel free to contact me, VS Realty, Vipin Sharma, 9768232501.